Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Capital One fast setup step by step clearly. To begin using Zelle with Capital One, open the Capital One mobile app on your device. Log into your Capital One account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Payments section in the app's main menu. Tap on Zelle to start the setup process. If you are prompted, read and accept the terms and conditions to use Zelle. Next, enter the email address or mobile phone number you wish to associate with your Zelle account. You may receive a verification code via text or email. Check your messages and enter the verification code when prompted. Now, follow the remaining instructions to complete your Zelle registration. Once setup is complete, you can start sending and receiving money with Zelle. To send money, tap on the Send Money option in the Zelle section. Enter the recipient's contact information, which can be their email or phone number. Input the amount you wish to send. Add an optional message to clarify the purpose of the payment. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Finally, tap the Send button to complete the transaction. To receive money, just share your registered email or phone number with the sender. You will receive a notification when money is sent to you. Go back to the Zelle section in the Capital One app to view your transaction history. This quick setup allows you to enjoy the convenience of Zelle with your Capital One account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.